Today I'm recording a video, and today I'm recording a video playing Cuphead, which equals Cuphead, and the DLC, which is Ed the Lost Delicious Cause. And right now, my brother, I should show how good he is at this game. He's playing as Mr. Chalice right now, and he's fighting this boss from the DLC. So let's be quiet and just watch. This video won't be too long because I don't think a lot of people will find it interesting. But hopefully, if you guys are liking this video, then you should hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, then subscribe and hit the bell so that you never miss a video. So that you never miss another video. Put the bell on always. And then, so that you never miss another video. So let's do this, baby. This is gonna be awesome, guys. My brother is playing and showing you how good he is. This is gonna be awesome, guys. This is gonna be so. How did you die? How did you get hurt like that? Don't worry, my brother's playing as a Chalice, and I'm watching and speaking. Say hello, brother.
Hello. I'm gonna kill this idiot.
Exactly. That's definitely what's gonna happen. And he's gonna give you guys the secret ending. He's gonna try to show you guys the secret death animation. For those who doesn't actually. Oh no! I forgot now. Sorry guys, I'm gonna show you the secret ending. But we can't show you the normal. You'll probably do it again to show you guys the awesome ending. Oh, Betty! Let's see, guys. Oh, this is a part 2. She's just pressing random buttons. Keep going, my brother. Don't upside down. Are you supposed to play like this? How did my brother beat us? How? Please teach me. How did you do this? That's the other way, okay? This, I don't know how my brother's doing this. Do not question how he's doing that. Do not question. Not if any questions how he's doing it, I don't know how he's doing it. Just watch. Okay? This time I'm gonna join.
No, why are you joining? I'm gonna show my skills.
Okay, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, guys, just wait. We need to pause for a reason. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Don't remove me.
Why can I don't want help?
You do. You clearly need help. Okay, I think you actually are better without me. You can do it, brother. You actually die more without me. You actually die more with me. For some reason. So you can just do your thing. And we will beat this boss for everyone. You'll show the secret ending for this. And the normal ending for this. But right now, I think we should just do the normal ending. For those who are not interested in the secret ending. For those who just want to see the ending for the normal. But for those who are interested in the secret, you won't be able to see it. And the normal. But we're first going to show you guys the normal ending. So brother, just kill them off. Kill them. Kill the dummy.
My P, I can't press.
You can't press.
My P.
What?
My P
Wait.
button.
It's like you're not double jumping right.
It's not letting me double jump.
Let me try it. It has to be working. Let me try this. Nothing's wrong, my brother. You are just having some weird technical difficulties.
I'm telling you. I'm telling the truth. Something is wrong with my brother.
OP shot, switch, okay. My brother's playing with the P shooter.
Pee. When you pee in the toilet.
And shooter.
Or in the toilet.
Where the skibbity toilet monster goes.
Yeah. Yes. You know,
Yo, I told you your bees working good. Hey! Oh, you know it.
died.
I mean, you nearly almost took damage. Oh no, my tablet's low. My tablet's low, guys.
Don't worry, guys.
It's fine. I'll make it a little bit brighter for you guys.
How could you not
See, it's really dark, guys. There you go. I made it brighter for you guys. What you guys see must out on a little bit of the fight, but it's fine. Okay.
Ah!
You died, bruh. But guys, I think I have to end the video here.
No! We need to show them the ending!
Okay, we'll only show the normal ending because my tablet's at 5%, and I'm worried that it's gonna die.
Yeah.
And then I don't even say the end, and then I cut, and then I have to re-record this video, and then I have to But you got this, brother. I'm not gonna speak anymore. I'm just gonna be quiet now. 3, 2, 1, go!
Stand up. So what's this backy? Stand up.
Emotional damage is a word, I think. I'm just saying dumb stuff now. Suck. How did you die? The last time you didn't die. Okay, brother, you got this.
That's the end. So stop singing the stupid toilet clean.
How can you hear me? I'm so soft. I bet you actually it's just joking. How do you know I'm saying?
Yeah. Stop singing it.
God.
Stop the cat. No. Sing it again. I can hear.
I'm not singing it, dude. Only the viewers know.
I know. Also, I'm not a dummy.
Okay, guys. He's playing pro right now. I mean, he's playing super pro right now. He's super ultra instant pro right now. Because like literally nothing can touch him. Look, he still has 4 hearts. He's playing super pro, guys. I'm telling you. This is how pros play Fortnite. Die, you stupid doggies. These puppies need to die right now. They are annoying. My tablet has 4%. Brother, my tablet has 4%. You need to hurry. You really
Okay,
need.
that was no fair.
You need to beat this boss very quickly. Because my tablet is at 4%.
I'll try again.
My tablet's at 4%. I don't think my tablet can handle any longer. I mean, I can record for 33 minutes and 36 seconds. But my tablet won't live alive at all. So that means you need to hurry up. I think I just need to end it here. My tablet is gonna die.
No.
So guys,
No.
I have to end it.
No.
So guys, I hope you
No.
like this video.
No.
If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Bye.